Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F5 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. In my case it will be messages, but you can use for example the browser on the notes, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. Then with the keyboard we have to enter the settings and tap on the languages. As you can see, this is the list of currently added languages. We've got only English, and after tapping on the add keyboard we will be transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and basically all you have to do is to find the language you'd like to use and tap on it. So let me pick Urdu. As you can see, sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so the same situation, just tap on it. And here we've got some keyboard modes from which we can choose, or keyboard layouts. It depends on the language. Sometimes you will be able to pick only one or even up to 5 or 7 different modes. And basically let me set this one, for example. So let me mark it and untick this option, I don't need it. So let's tap on done if you're ready. And as you can see, the language has been added to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences, but right now only one is visible. So the globe icon, the language key, which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu keyboard. Let me do it again. And the second difference, right now the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So we've got English, and here we've got the Urdu. So this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you don't really want to to have 2 different languages added. You just want to have only one different from the system language. So in order to remove the language, just enter the settings, languages again, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Of course you can reorder them if you want to. However, if you want to remove it, just mark it and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, so basically this is the only keyboard I will have. I cannot switch it, so I can only type in English. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.